Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again to share more about my experience at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona. These are all the shopping I did. I must say that I've done less shopping this year. I'm grateful that I could do that. But yeah, let's get into it. So some of the vendors I remember, some of them I don't. Like where I got them from and and things like that. So let's just get in here. So this was the stuff that I did get from the ton. I didn't work with any of it yet. The first one is a beach stencil. You can kind of get the idea from the stencil. But I'll share these projects as I do them. So be watching for videos. I might just share it as a vendor video and not just individual projects. But then this one is the Cosmos border layering stencil, and it just has Cosmos all around, making a frame for an A2 size card. So I'm excited to show you that. And then this one is just postage stamp. Remember, good old postage. So it has this stencil and these as well. So I got that. And then my daughter did the make and take over on the sales floor at the booth. And so this is like the scenery. The scenery one I got was the one with the palm trees and the beach, but it's similar to this effect. So that was my stuff from the ton. Thank you, Effie. I also got these from Pear Blossom Press, and if you've ever seen, I did do a make and take of a camera that you can press and the light will come on. Let me see if I can find that real quick here. Here you go. This is the project they did for the Mega Make and Take. And it's hooked up with these lighting on the inside. And so I got different ones. I got a twinkling light one and then just one like this, single lights. But it comes in a 2-pack. And then it has a stamp so that you can stamp you know, where they need to press or pull or push or do something. And then I also got me some reverse tweezers from there. And that was Pear Blossom Press. And then a Stamp Plus stick. Last year I bought me a book like this. It's just like recycled paper, and I shared it with you last year. I have it here, so I've added to it over the year, and then this weekend when I was at the crop I worked on some more, but really I'm just working on the backgrounds. I haven't done anything, no doodling or journaling or quoting, none of that yet. But I have done some stenciling. I want to probably add texture maybe to some of it and then finish coloring up some of them. I did do a page that I like that page there. I done a few pages this past weekend that I really like how they turned out. And then because my daughter was there, I just ended up buying another book so she could play in it as well. And so I ended up getting this size book, was just a little bigger. Last year they only had this option. And so I do have some blank spaces in here too, and this one comes with black in between, so I'm looking forward to doing things on the black. But she did a lot in here. She did some stenciling. Yeah. So I like some of the way her pages came out. Some of them I did. But they're just fun mixed art journaling you can do. And then, you know, decorate them. I've seen people doodle, which I probably want to do some of that doodling. I don't know. I just like the colors. I like adding the colors right now. So that's what I'm having fun with. Once I get them decorated, I'm not really sure what I will do with them, but my hope is that I'm gonna start journaling on them and doodling and that kind of thing, but we'll see. So yeah, so I got that too, and that was from Stamplistic. I also bought more sprays. I got 4 more colors this year. And so I got a Raider color. It's like a charcoal. And then I got a salmon color. I also got a juicy color. And then a Santa color. So those are the 4 new ones I've gotten. So I'm going to be adding those to my collection. I might need a find a new bag to carry them in. But yep. So that I got those. I also bought these gilding polish. I got gilding polish in graphite and gilding polish in carmine red. I've used these a little, but not a lot. But I have a couple other ones, so. And then I did buy this spirits, what is it, mineral spirits, because some of my stuff is drying out, some of my texture paste, and so I want to see if this will help bring it back to life. So I got that. I got this large ball stylus. I found some mini calendars so I could make some calendars for next year. So I got 2 packs of those. I love this sticky specs. If you haven't ever used it, it's great for tiny pieces that you die cut, and you can reuse this sheet over and over and over again. Lots of use. I bought a pack last year, and I probably have a couple sheets left, so I got another pack. I also got this precision glue press. Let me know if you have one of these. Right now I do use art glitter glue. This is my bottle I use. I have a few of these bottles, and I have a huge bottle that I use to fill up these bottles. I also use an ATG gun, but this thing is a pill. Like this tape, when it gives you a problem, it gives you a problem. Like sometimes I get so frustrated with it. So I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm probably still gonna use the tape, but maybe I'll start using this more. Like this will be the dominant thing I use. So it comes with all of this stuff, directions, so I'll put that away and go through it later, but I did get one of these to start using. Excuse me. And then I also got, I don't know if you've seen these lately, but these are from Lisa Horton. They're a couple years old maybe. But I got 7 of them. They do, I think, have a few collections now, and maybe like 24 maybe available now. I'm not sure. But they're called Interference inks, and the color you see on the left side of the cover will be what shows up on white or light cardstock, and the color on the right side will be what shows up on black or dark cardstock. So once I get time to open these and play with them, I'll be sharing those with you. I am missing some colors that I would like, so I might need to, I think just 1 or 2 colors I would like. Because I have purple, blue, so I'm missing a green, yellow, orange, red. So probably just a green. That's the only one I'm missing that I would get. And green on this side. I'm not sure what it would be on that side. But so those are fun. Let me know if you've played with these, and if you like those. They're by Lisa Horton. They're Cloud 9 inks, and they're Interference dye pigment ink. And because I bought a certain amount, or maybe this, I know I got this stencil and these blending brushes free. I have an assortment of blending brushes, and yeah, you can never have too many of those, so I'm glad to have gotten those. What else? Scrappy Boy Stamps. I did get a few things from him. I got this card die, the Evil Queen mini album, and this is what it makes. How fun is that? And then also this Magic Mirror mini album. So fun is that. It could be for both, you know, all kinds of princesses. And then this castle. And then I got a tent set as well, a tent die. I did get the haunted, well, it's Haunted Mansion-ish, Haunted Halloween stamp set. I have a few of his stamp sets. I've used like very little, so I need to work on using them. So that was the other thing. Instead of buying more stamp sets I didn't use, he does have these like die cuts already colored and everything. So I opted for these. This was the Princess Pinups, and there's quite a few different princesses in here. Let me know if you want me to go through them. I'll show it on another video if you do. I also have a villainous bombshells. So there's a few villains that are like pinup style too. I'm just trying to separate them so you can see which ones they are. But yeah, I'll show them to you if you want. Let me know. And then I did get a Peter Pan one, and I would have got the stamp set, but Tink is like the smallest one in it, so that's the reason I would get it. So I decided to just get these, and she's in here somewhere. I've seen her die cut in here. So, and then a Tiana one, Princess and the Frog. And then these were on clearance, so I picked them up because I have friends who are plant lovers. Just thought it'd be fun to make some of those kind of cards or something. But that was my Scrappy Boy Stamps. haul. And then, so my last thing, that was my biggest purchase. Oh, I forgot. I also got this Spellbinders Holiday Fun Advent Calendar. I'm not sure if this was last year's or if it's this year's. It's probably last year's. It says 2023. Anyway, Spellbinders is an Arizona company. I don't know if you guys knew that. But, yeah, so I haven't opened my Advent thing up yet. Maybe I'll do a video. Let me know about this in the description box below if you guys want to see. It's chipboard stickers, journal, cards, tags, ephemera, paper, sequins, and sprinkles. I don't know. It was 16 bucks at the expo. So I got one of those. And then I got me one of these. So yeah, it would have been cheaper to just get it off of scrapbook.com or one of those, but they had it there. I could take it home right away and play with it. And so I'm okay with it. But yeah, so now I got a glimmer hot foil system, which I have already started playing with. I did a haul at Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago, and they have... Okay, well, my battery died. I got cut off, so just stay tuned for more videos, including that glimmer hot plate. And for more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas.